Hi, boys and girls. Here's Trevor, here's Fred, and we are doing multiplication on Review E, page 81. Now, you should have done this for homework, but I'm doing it with you just to make sure you didn't have any problems, and we're going to work it together just to keep reviewing, okay? So, I'm on multiplication, and I'm going to do 8 times 4. So 8 times 4. Now you may say, but Mrs. Hinton, I don't know how to do my 8s yet. I'm practicing, but I don't know them yet. Well, that's okay. Don't worry about it, because if you put the 4 first and then you just flip it and you put your 8 second and you have your multiplication there, then what's the number? Well, it's 4 times 8. Well, hopefully you've been practicing and you know your 4s. So let's go ahead and make our number line. Now you can make a number line, whatever is easy for you. I like number lines, so I'm going to say, here's 4. So I'm going to add 4 every time. So this is the same thing as saying 4 plus 4 plus 4. 1, 2, 3. Plus 4, plus 4, plus 4, plus 4. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I need one more. Plus 4. Now that is kind of long, and you may take forever doing that. And if you did this one like that, you would only have to do it 4 times 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8 equals what? Well, it's going to be the same number. Doesn't matter, because even if you flip it, they're still the same 2 numbers. So let's go ahead and do our number line. So we're going to do repeat addition, which that's what repeat addition is, these two. So we're going to do a number line, and then we're just going to count to 4. So 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, right? So you just counted 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's the same thing if you said 1, 2, 3, 4. If you counted right here, you had a 0, and you counted 1, 2, 3, 4, it would be 4. And then we could do it again. So 4, 8. All you did was just counted 4. So 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. You just counted 3 4s. You just counted 4 times 3. So you counted 4 3 times. Now let's count 4 4 times. So 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Oh, guess what you just did? You just counted 4 times. 4, 8, 12, 16. Now let's count it 5 times. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Now you just counted it 20 times. So 4 plus 4 is 8. This could be, so you could actually even say 4 times 1 equals 4. 4 times 2 equals 8. 4 times 3 equals 12. 4 times 4 equals 16. 4 times 5 equals 20. Okay, so let's count 4 more. So 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So can you tell me how many times you counted 4? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You're right. You counted it 6 times. So 4 times 6. So we're going to keep going. 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. Okay, so let's stop there and let's see how many times we've counted 4. We've counted it 6 times, 4 times 6 is 24. 4 times 7 is 28. 4 times 8 is 32. 4 times 9 is 36. 37, 38, 39, 40. 4 times 10 is 40. Okay, so where did they want us to stop at? 4 times 8. So let's look. 1, 2, we counted 4. 8 times. We need to count it 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There it is. So if we counted 4 8 times, it's 32. So the answer is 32. And if you flip it around to 8 times 4, it's still 32. Okay, boys and girls? Now, remember when we talked about a family? When you have a family, a multiplication family, there were 3 that live in this family. 32 lives there. The 4 lives there. And the 8 lives there. Now this is a complete family. So that means that when you multiply 4 times 8, it's going to be 32. And when you multiply 8 times 4, it's going to be 32. It never changes. So when we talk about multiplication and division, so multiplication and division, they're also part of a family. So we have multiplication and division. This is a family. Okay? They stick together. And so if we know that 4 times 8 is 32 and 8 times 4 is 32, that checks this out. Well, now we're going to see how does 32, what does it have, what makes it part of the family? So we're going to say, okay, well, division tells us that the whole is 32. Okay, that's the whole. So 32 tells us the total. It's the total or it's the whole. Okay, and there are 2 numbers that equal this whole. Now when you're dividing, now if this is part of the family and they only give you one number, well, if you know this family by heart and by memory, you're going to automatically know, oh, okay, I see a 32, I see a 4. Yeah, I know what's missing. What? An 8. If you memorize that family, then it's not gonna become difficult to you whenever you see it like this. 32 divided by 4 equals what? They're going to want to know that answer, and that's going to look very strange to you if you don't know the family. But if you know the family, then you can say, oh, that's easy. If they've given me the total and it's 32, and they're only giving me one number, then I know that division is the same thing. It's part of the family. I can multiply. Division is just the opposite. It's multiplication. Okay, so division is just the opposite of multiplication. So if I say I know the total, which is the big number, which is our whole, then I'm going to say here, I'm going to put this number here, and that's going to be my total. Because see how the equal sign tells me that's the total. Well, it already told me that the 4, I have to have something it gives me the 4, so it tells me that the 4 is multiplied by something. So 4 times what is 32? 4 times what is 32? Okay, so that means I need to tell myself that 4 plus all the way on, I need to know that what it will equal 32, but how many times 4 will I have to count to equal 32? Well, I know that it's 8 because that's my family. That is my family. So my family, 4 times 8 is 32. 8 times 4 is 32. I know that when I multiply and I flip these two numbers, I'm still multiplying. It still equals 32. Well then, so if I know that, then when I divide, and division is the opposite of multiplication, then I can say then that anytime I see 32 divided by 4, it's going to equal 8. And if I have 32 divided by 8, I know it's going to be 4. Because 8 times 4 equals 32. See, the whole. And 4 times 8 equals 32. I just flip these numbers around. And that makes my family 32, a 4, and 8. And I know I can multiply, and I know I can divide. I hope that you understand that. If not, make sure you have your questions for me whenever we Zoom. Bye. Say bye, Trevor. Bye, Fred. Bye, Trevor.